Hello, my name is Adolfo Neto. I'm a professor here at the Federal University of Technology in Curitiba, Brazil. And today I'm here to talk about Code Bean Europe, which is going to happen between 19, the 19th and the 20th of May 2022 in Stockholm, Sweden. It's the European Conference for Erlang and Elixir developers. So it's clear that this is different from Elixir Conf, for instance, that it has a larger maybe focus on Erlang. It has more talks related to Erlang. And it's going to be the first hybrid code bean Europe. Let's see what's going to happen there. So there are the larger teams, okay. The tickets, where are, yes, here. The speakers. So they have four keynote speakers. Of course, everyone knows who Robert Verdin is. He's the co-creator of Erlang. Quinn Wilton gave a great talk about the history of Erlang at Code Bean America 2021. Brooklyn Zelenka has given many keynote talks in several Elixir Erlang conference, and I really didn't know who Sun Kalkman was, but I've read, so she's going to talk about building brilliant Erlang teams. She's former teacher, that's great, and she's one of the two Elixir developers responsible for the back end of Code Sandbox. How do I go back to the... And besides the keynote speakers, of course, they have many talks. And looking here, I don't know which ones are going to talk in at the conference venue and which ones are going to talk online, but I see Brujo Benavides is here. He's the author of this blog, Erlang Battlegrounds, and many other things. He's from Argentina. And let me see, Pierre. I really don't know everyone here, but I noticed there are many talks that are related to Erlang, working effectively with Erlang LegX code, evolving Erlang OTP feature by feature, digital twin planning and control with Erlang. Pierre Stritzinger, he's the inventor of GRISP. And that's me. I'm going to talk about learning Erlang and Elixir through exercism and advent of code. Ayana Duby, Manuel Rubio, who wrote some books about Erlang and Elixir. I believe most of them are still in Spanish. Erlang OTP volumen 2, Las bases de OTP, Historia de los lenguajes de programación, and there is Phoenix Framework, Rede Social en 7 días, Elixir, Introducción para alquimistas. So Manuel Rubio, Greg Mefford, Ulf Wicker. I really don't know how to say. This one is interesting because Mota Ribeiro sounds like Portuguese, but the first name is Quildrin. Dimitri, Jasper, Dave, Andrew, Stavros. Stavros, I believe he's Greek. And Vadny Thomas, Vyacheslav Katsuba, he's a Ukrainian Erlanger. Let's hope that terrible war in Ukraine ends as soon as possible. And that's it. Besides the 2 days of talks and keynote talks, there's going to be some courses. See, on the 17th of May, Paulo Oliveira, who is from Galicia, I believe. Let me see his profile. Oh no, Paulo. I always confused. No, Paulo. I believe he's from Portugal. There is the other. There, Pablo is from Galicia. Sorry, Paulo and Pablo. And who else? Oh, what happened here? Yeah, here. Oh, Cheng Chi is this person from China. That would be interesting. And okay, so Paulo Oliveira and Bruno Benavides, 17th of May, Elixir Smart Home Architecture, 18th, Practical Dialyzer. So many other. Stavros is going to give a tutorial on unit system and property based testing. All all those trainings are going to, oh, look, the Robert Verdin's training is going to start on the 16th. So if you go, you can stay in calendar May 2022. I believe probably 16th is the first day, right? Yes, the first day of the week. So if you can stay there from 16th to 20th every day, it's going there's going to have there's going to be some activity, if either a course, either a course or talks, keynote talks. So these are the members of the program committee: Laura Castro, Stavros Aronis, Sophie de Benedetto, Jasper Elkson, Kenneth Landing, and Francesco Cesarini. They have a diversity scheme, so you can, if you are, let me see which are the conditions. The goal of the program is to increase the diversity of attendees and offer support to those in the tech community who would not otherwise be able to attend the conference. The diversity scheme is primarily aimed but not restricted to women, people from ethnic minorities, people with disabilities who would otherwise not be able to attend the conference. So you just have to submit this form, um, until, I'm not sure, first deadline 19th April 2002. This is a little bit confusing because here it says recipients chosen. If recipients do not confirm, tickets are redistributed. Okay, so I believe until April, but as soon as you fill this form, the better. What else? Yes, if you want to be a volunteer, you can apply here to be a volunteer. I was a volunteer at CodeBeam America to 2021, but you can be a volunteer either in person or virtually. And there is the safety guidelines. And here are many talks from previous conference. So if I were in Europe, I would go to Stockholm, to the city where Erlang was born, to attend CodeBeam Europe. But I will be there virtually, so see you there. Bye bye.